And in this video I will be giving you a quick demo on how you can get started with this. So I'm inside the members area, and the first section that we have is to create a project to get started right over here. So I'm just going to name the project as test 123 and hit on next, and this will then take us to this particular section where we can create images using the power of AI. And I've got preloaded prompts over here, so I'm just gonna select one of them which says cat in the house chasing a mouse, and you can use your voice as well for this command. And you've got styles over here that you can select any art style from the list. I'm just going to keep that as standard as SDXL, and hit on generate image, and wait a minute or two, and within no time the image will be created right over here using the help of AI inside bulk shots AI, as you can see over here. Yep. And if you're not happy with the image, you can hit generate again, and the AI will regenerate the image for you until you're happy with that. So let's just wait for, say, about a couple of more seconds, and yeah, I'm very happy with this image. I can just save that onto my favorites, and that is gone to my list right over here inside the project list. And if I want to download that, I can download that. If I want to edit that, I hit on edit image, and it takes me to an image editor wherein I can add filters, and I can make those changes on that particular image. And whichever filter I don't like, I'll just remove that. And yep, you can then apply that and make all sorts of changes, add in stickers, frames, corners, merge them with different images, and you can make those changes as in when you like. And right over here we have got the next section, which is the main section, creating videos. And you can get started by creating videos in 3 different modes. So let me just take you through that just now. And I have got the first mode, which is the easy mode. I'm just going to select that, and I need to follow 3 simple steps right over here. And I'm just going to hit on this particular section, name the video as gym motivation 1, 2, 3, and I'm just going to put that as test, and hit on continue. And over here this will give me an option which says please enter a keyword, and I'm just going to put that as benefits of going to the gym every day for men over 50. And the number of images that I want on my shots is 5, and the number of videos, you can go up to 10 on this. I'm just going to keep that to a minimum 2, and hit on continue. And then in this particular section it will let me select the audio. I'm just gonna hit on a male voice and generate audio, and in no time the content will get that audio. And close this over here. And as you can see over here, going to the gym every day for men over 50 can have numerous benefits on their physical and mental health, and so on and so forth. So remember, we selected 2 number of videos, and we have got the content generated for both the videos. And I'm gonna hit on submit, and this will then save that particular video over here. So remember, we have 2 videos listed over here. So one video is listed over here, and the second one is listed over here. So we'll just wait for the AI to generate the images, and then we can generate the video. And now moving to the next section, which is the advanced mode. And over here we've got a few more options. So I'm just going to hit on gym motivation A123 and hit on continue, and we have got a keyword over here, so I'm just going to keep that as benefits of going to gym every day, and select the number of images to 5, or I can add in one more and hit on continue right over here, and then the script will get loaded right over here. I can make those changes on that particular script. I can generate audio, and firstly let me select the content, and I'll generate audio over here, and hit on generate audio, so that's generated successfully. Scroll down and click on submit over here, so that will go on to rendering the images and then the video, and then we have got the third section, which is the hyper mode. So in this hyper mode we have to again name the title right over here, and gym motivation 321, and hit on next, and then put a keyword over here, benefits of gym, going to gym every day for women over 50, and then hit continue, and with the help of AI will generate the content. For instance, on this particular content, as you can see, gym workouts can help women over 50 improve their overall strength and muscle mass, and so on and so forth. And if I select that and click on generate script and put in that title over here and click on generate script, now that prompt will generate additional information for me, or add in additional content for me. As you can see over here, this has actually given me a massive content, and all I have to do is just hit on generate audio and select the voice from here, and I'm just going to select Bianca, and I'm going to hit on generate audio, and that's generated for me. All I have to do is just select submit, and that goes back to the list. So remember the easy mode one that we generated, all I have to do is just go back on the edit section, and here is the images, or are the images that have been selected, and I can select, deselect any one of them from here, and then I just hit on continue to the next section, to rather move to the next section, and then I can actually list that down. I can make changes, I can add in media, I can add in elements, put typography, add in stories, do my own branding, add CC, add music, add slides, and once that is done, all you have to do is just submit, and the video will be ready to use, and all you have to do is just click on that particular
Another key
video,
benefit of
and the video is all generated for you right over
going to
here.
the gym every day for meningitis and
So
more.
this is how you get started with Bulk Shots AI and leverage your business to the very next level, guys. Thank you for watching, and good luck.